Well, this morning, people across Florida are on edge. Hurricane Milton is expected to make landfall tonight and cause major devastation. Some areas like north of Sarasota are still struggling to recover from Hurricane Helene. Many who survived that hurricane aren't taking their chances with Milton, choosing to evacuate.
I have family. I know where to go. People have no family, don't know where to go.
Yeah, it is.
They have to get out of St. Pete Beach and travel.
Worrying about my family and my friends back home is the worst part.
I feel like I'm in a bad dream and somebody's going to wake me up and say, this isn't happening.
Oh, your heart just goes out to them. These hurricanes are not only deadly, but costly. Hurricane Helene could result in more than $15 billion in property damage. Hurricane Milton could cost even more. Insurance premiums in some parts of Florida have already increased 400% in recent years.